Get up at 5 a.m. to do your runs?
I used to.
Yeah, back in the day.
Way back in the day.
Oh no, no! I see people out there all the time, walking and running it. This time of year, it's just like, oh my gosh, and not even carrying a bottle of water or anything.
Yeah.
Like, where's the water? No, it is hot, and you got to do your exercises in the morning if you're gonna do it outside. With the heat though today, it really actually wasn't all too bad because temperatures stayed below normal again.
It's our first summer in North Texas.
Yeah. Well, trust me, Oklahoma is not that much different when it comes to the heat. But we did make it to 92 degrees today, the normal being 93, but we were nowhere near the record of 113 degrees. And that was all the way back in 1980 where we actually hit that. Now, temperatures are going to stay hot over the next several days. And, as we get into the weekend, just a little bit hotter. We're expecting a high of about 96 degrees on Saturday. On Sunday, 97. But the heat indices, that's where it's going to become a little bit more unbearable. It will likely feel like the low 100s as we get into the weekend and even into early next week. But you can see those temperatures going down a little bit. There are some rain chances to talk about. Satellite and radar showing a few showers and storms well to the south and east. And, like yesterday, we've had those kind of pop up with the heating of the day. But as we get closer to sunset, a lot of that's going to go away. The Metroplex not really seeing a whole lot today. We've been mostly sunny. The rain and storms stayed well off to the southeast, and you can see that well east of Palestine. That's just going to continue to go away from us. So in the meantime, this RWU camera, always a beautiful shot there, mostly sunny, but it's hot. 91 degrees there. We're at 92 in Denton, 90 in McKinney, 90 in Canton, 86 though in Corsicana. The problem has been that humidity. When you go outside, you can definitely feel that air. It's 67-degree dew point right now in Fort Worth, but it's 73 in Waxahachie, a 71 in Mineola, a 72 degrees in Greenville. And when you get into the 70s, we're going to be in that uncomfortable level, okay? A lot of us in that very sticky level, but either one of those, it's not pleasant by any means. So again, after factoring in that humidity, it feels more like 97 in downtown Dallas, 96 in Greenville, 97 in Waxahachie. It also feels like 97 over in Graham. Overnight tonight, it's still going to be humid. Temperatures only drop down into the mid and upper 70s, and there's not even going to be a whole lot of wind. It's going to be out of the south between about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow afternoon, not expecting a lot of wind during the day. No relief in terms of rain. I don't have any rain chances. Temperatures make it to 94 tomorrow afternoon in Dallas, 92 in Denton, 90 in Canton, 94 tomorrow afternoon in Granbury. As far as rain chances are concerned, yesterday it was looking like maybe there's a chance on Saturday, but today the latest data says that's not going to happen anymore for us. But on Monday and Tuesday, so early next week, the pattern still looks a little unsettled with at least a chance of rain and storms, although not great right now. So for tonight, we're dropping down to about 75 degrees under partly cloudy skies. It's going to stay warm. It's going to stay muggy. Tomorrow afternoon, still hot, partly sunny, a high of 94 degrees. And then this weekend, we're going to be heating up a little bit more. Looking at the 14-day forecast, rain chances do return for your Monday and Tuesday. The second half of the 14-day, it does show the 4th of July. Right now, it does look dry. It just looks hot.